Have you ever imagined a world without oxygen? Humans can survive only a few minutes without it. Oxygen keeps us alive. But what if some creatures don't need it at all? Yes, real living organisms on Earth can survive without oxygen. And some discoveries shock scientists. Let's start with Henneguya salminicola. This microscopic parasite lives inside salmonfish. In 2020, scientists confirmed something unbelievable. It is the first known animal that does not use oxygen. Even more surprising, it doesn't have mitochondria, the part of cells that normally use oxygen to produce energy. This creature evolved to survive completely without oxygen. That discovery changed biology forever. Now let's go deep into the ocean. In certain parts of the sea called oxygen minimum zones, oxygen levels are nearly zero. Yet worms and microorganisms live there. Instead of oxygen, they rely on chemical reactions and anaerobic bacteria to produce energy. They survive in darkness, pressure, and toxic chemicals. Next is one of the toughest creatures ever discovered, the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. Tardigrades don't permanently live without oxygen, but when conditions become extreme, no oxygen, no water, extreme heat or cold, they enter a survival state called cryptobiosis. In this state, their metabolism almost completely stops. They can survive for years without oxygen, and when conditions improve, they come back to life. They have even survived space. Now let's talk about Loricifera. These microscopic animals were found deep in the Mediterranean Sea in areas completely lacking oxygen. Scientists believe they spend their entire lives in oxygen-free environments using unusual biochemical processes to generate energy. And we cannot ignore anaerobic bacteria and archaea. Billions of years ago, Earth had almost no oxygen, yet life existed. These microorganisms use chemicals like methane and sulfur to survive. Even today, they live in volcanoes, deep underground and near hydrothermal vents. Some can survive radiation that would instantly kill humans. So what does this mean? If life can exist without oxygen on Earth, maybe it can exist on other planets too. Mars, Europa, distant moons. Maybe oxygen isn't the only key to life. These creatures prove something powerful. Life adapts. Life evolves. Life finds a way. And perhaps the most mysterious part is this. There may still be undiscovered organisms living in extreme, oxygen-free environments right now. The more we explore, the more we realize how little we know. So the next time you take a deep breath, remember, somewhere on this planet, there are living creatures that don't need that breath at all. Nature is far more mysterious than we ever imagined, and this might only be the beginning.